two-part question. We have, it says right here, some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Why is this the case? Do you think this is a positive or negative development? যখনই আমি একটা two-part question, মানে how do I understand it? যখন আমি দেখবো যে দুইটা question mark আছে in the question, I should automatically understand that it is a two-part question. তার মানে body 1 হবে first question, body 2 হবে second question. Okay? And then in between, or at the ends, of course, there's going to be the introduction and the conclusion, right? So we have introduction, body 1, question 1, body 2, question 2, and then a conclusion. 4 elements, you should have a solid essay. And I'm going to start writing now. So as we all know, if you've seen my other videos, we must paraphrase the question. So it says here, some people, some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Okay, so let me just kind of paraphrase that. Let's just say many children spend a large portion of time every day on their smartphones. Now, যেহেতু this is a two-part question, I don't need to put any thesis statement. I don't need to do anything crazy. All I need to do is put the paraphrased question and then give it nice, simple outline sentence. So here we go. Firstly, this essay will discuss why, or let's say the reasons behind this phenomenon, and secondly, how it is a negative development. All right, now next paragraph. So first question, let's get started. Why is this the case? So we should understand, we should have a little bit of knowledge as to why a lot of kids are using time on their cell phones. And না থাকলেও যদি কোনো idea না থাকে তবুও আমরা কিন্তু easily একটা কিছু we can basically come up with some sort of reasons, like let's say cultural development of technology, and also the change in the digitization of our society. So let's kind of write this, okay? So there are many reasons, or let's say many factors that are contributing to the overwhelming usage of smartphones by children. Changes in cultural preferences and norms are moving us towards a more digitized society. Oops, where's the internet? Society. Let me just kind of fix this. Digitized society. Therefore, it is normal for children to be spending lots of time on smartphones. There are many activities which children may partake in on their smartphones, such as learning or recreational activities. Furthermore, many children use social media like Instagram, Facebook. Oops. I'm gonna get rid of this, sorry. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube to pass their time. So that makes them use a large, or that makes them spend their time on their phones the most. Now, আমি কিন্তু simply why this is the case answer করলাম, right? এখন আমরা চলে যাব to the next question, which is whether or not this is a positive or negative development. So let's kind of do this, okay? This is a negative development due to the negative effects brought about upon children. If children spend too much time on their phones and not enough time playing outside, they may become overweight and less physically active. Children also may become addicted to watching videos or making them as a form of recreation, therefore making them go through different, or let's just say therefore making them even more addicted, or let's just say they're dependent on their phones, on making them, sorry. And last but not least, let me put a little bit more negativity. Let's see, something else that's bad about this. Let me think. The fact of the matter is, if children are using their the majority their time on their smartphones, they will get more and more detached from society. Now let me just put a nice little on their smartphones. Oops. Now let me just put a conclusion on there. So in conclusion, due to the changes in our culture and developments in technology, it is a common scenario that children, or let's say it is common, it has become common for children to spend a lot of time, on their smartphones. However, let me just get the IELTS marks. Due to the negative physical and mental effects, this is a negative development. All done. 8 minutes and 11 seconds, I guess. But the problem was that I was kind of explaining. Nonetheless, if you can watch this video and you can kind of mirror the way I wrote this, you'll get a nice, at least band 7. If you want more videos and more tips and tricks about IELTS, feel free to follow us and like and share this video. And I want you guys to understand that writing like this takes a lot of practice, and it's not something that you learn overnight. And you don't have to be just like me or just like somebody else. Write like yourself and you'll do fine. Make sure it's simple, effective, and get your band marks and get out of there. Good luck on your IELTS training. I'm Wasik from TGN Traditional Global Network, signing off. Thank you.